Yo, so what's good, gang? I'm back with another one. So in the morning we reviewed yesterday's loss, and today we were looking at Cadjpy. Yeah, Cadjpy gave us a solid setup, but it came with a lot of hiccups because I decided to get out of the trade before it could reach my take profit because it started showing me signs of retracement. So I managed to secure $53 out of it. That's around 1%. Uh, but at least we have something on top of yesterday's loss that is back to 3.4%. But the bad news is that the trade that we're looking at today managed to hit TP even with us outside the trade, you see. So it is what it is. We are out, but TP was hit, so we were right. So that's how it has gone. So let me show you how the trade I came about this trade. So I spotted a 1 hour order block. That's a demand zone, very well marked here, and I waited for price to retrace out of it, to come out of the order block and show me that buyers are getting into the market. So the first hour was already out, the second hour shot up, that told me that buyers were already in the market. So what did I do? I got in the 15 minutes. The confirmation of the 15 minutes was a retest and an engulfing candle, so I was already in. I experienced drawdown for a few minutes, only about 15 minutes, and we were straight into blues. And imagine in this trade I saw profit floating and $90 floating, and I thought that my TP was going to get hit, my take profit was going to get hit, but we were not lucky. So price retraced big back to this zone here, and I was out. I can show you my MT5 desktop app. So I got in at this point here, and I got out when this massive candle retraced back. So I thought the sellers were trying to get into the market, but that wasn't the case. So immediately I got in, price shot up to my take profit level. So I wasn't lucky to manage a 2%, but I got a 1% out of this trade, so that is good for me. At least I never left it to go back to drawdown. And immediately I was in the 50%. In the 50% of this trade, I managed to move my stop loss to break even, above profit slightly, like $3 profit, so that when things go sideways, I'm in with something, no loss, just I'm in with a break even trade. So that's how I manage this risk on my MT5. On trading here, I got scared because price was just hovering around my TP here. It traced back, seriously back to the mid-range of this trade. So I was down around $50, that is, and I decided to get out.